So as we come to the end of our first trial trip in the caravan, what we thought we'd do is stop in and see our good friends David and Craig on the way back at their lovely property in Berry. They've got a nice farm, built a new house for the caretaker. These are some of their sheep, and they've got a beautiful sculpture that I thought I'd try flying the drone through and succeeded. This is their house, lovely place, big, beautiful rolling mountains, hills of green grass. And we parked up at the back near the chickens and had a nice early morning wake-up call from the rooster, who also laid a few eggs. The rooster didn't, but the chickens did. And of course, Sonny the dog likes playing with the robot lawnmower. But we got some beautiful fresh bread from down in Berry and took that as our contribution to lunch. Craig, meanwhile, took some of his chicken eggs and made an incredible quiche, which we had for lunch. Completely delicious with chorizo and peppers and so on. Here's Dave serving the water. We had a lovely lunch, like I said, and it was really great catching up with David and Craig. Beautiful salad with more of the eggs from Craig's chickens. Some fresh butter. Sonny looked very relaxed for the afternoon. And then I thought I'd do a final pull-away drone shot, which was all going very well until I hit a tree and stuck the drone in